Titration problems in chemistry are typically a lot easier than they seem when you read them. Especially like if it was the AP test or in college, there'll be all sorts of words in the problem, but ultimately it's a math equation with 4 variables and they just give you 3. So this is the equation we would use: volume acid times concentration of acid equals the volume of the base times the concentration of the base. We will always know 3 of the 4, so we always follow the same thing. We multiply the 2 that are on the side that we know both of, and then we divide that answer by the other number. It's pretty simple because the pair is always connected by the word of, and then the one that's alone is usually the one that's all the way over by itself. So if it took 30 milliliters of 0.5 molar acid, so we know the volume of the acid right here is 30 milliliters times, it tells me in my molarity, is 0.5. And then I'm going to solve for the concentration, and it tells me the volume of the base here is 80 times this concentration that I don't know. Pretty simple math here. I divide both sides by 80, and then this will cancel out and leave me with just what the answer needs to be. It's 30 times 0.5 divided by 80. When I type that into my calculator, I get 0.1875 molar is the concentration of the base originally. Okay, so every time you do this, you find the 2 that are together and you multiply them. Turn the of into a multiply sign, and then you divide that answer by the one that's by itself. Multiply the pair and divide by the loner.